Hello guys! Today I am going to unbox this parcel which I have ordered 4 days ago, and this is a cold pressed Arches watercolor paper. I have heard a lot of good reviews of it and I want to test it myself. Of course, before opening it, I have already thoroughly disinfected this for precautionary and safety measures. And so, let's open it. There's a bubble wrap on it. It's nicely wrapped and delivered. So very good. And we will also disinfect this now just to make sure that everything would be okay. So there. And let's just allow it to dry for a few minutes. And then let's move on to unpack all of this. Okay? Finally, here it is, guys. It is an Arches watercolor cold pressed paper, 300 GSM, and it has 12 sheets all in all. So I guess I'm pretty impressed, huh? But let's see if the quality of this product is really good. And of course, we will see it after testing this. So let's go.